Welcome back. This is going to be another really short video because I got two important concepts to cover. So I don't want to spend a lot of time on this particular, but I want you to know it because as you go out of the general chemistry into organic or other branches of chemistry, you will often hear something called a rate determining step. Let me write it down. Rate determining step. Now, if you remember at the start of it, I told you how to write a rate law expression, right? So in this case, typically your slow step, okay, whichever one is the slow step is the rate determining step, okay? Means that's what contributes to the rate law expression. You could have 10 steps, but there's always one step that's really slow. So in this case, this is the slow step. That means this is the rate determining step. What does that mean? What is the implication? Means that is rate equals, if you have to write the rate law expression, this is the only expression that counts. The rest of them does not count because this is the rate determining step because it is the slow step. So how do we write rate expression? A power. Well, in this case, because this is the rate determining step and we know everything in here counts, so this is equivalent to an elementary reaction. So we can use the numbers in front of it as the exponents, so a to the 1 and b to the 1. Remember, we write only the rate expressions for the reactants because essentially for the products is the opposite of that, right? That's all there is to it. So this rate which the common question is, what is the rate determining step in this sequence of reactions? Well, the step, they could call it step 1, step 2, step 3, there could be so many steps. Usually the slow step is the rate determining step, and it's very easy to write the rate law expression, which would look like rate equals rate constant times a to the power 1, b to the power 1. This is the only time you're allowed, or if this is basically the elementary reaction. So that's why you are expected to use the numbers in front as exponent. Otherwise, you don't. Okay, this is where I think students miss out because they always choose whatever number in front. Make sure either the reaction says slow or the question contains the words elementary reaction. Does that make sense? That's all I want to say on this particular video, and as you can see, it's pretty short. Stay on for the next video.